All right, today's adventure, we've got a door Uber driver, repeated slamming of the back door. Got the door checker bad, which is no big deal. Get a new door checker, but we got spot welds that ripped out. So the part it attaches to is still gonna flex. So body shop's telling me they can spot weld it, but it's gonna be ugly. They recommend just drilling it out and put some screws. This part's not affected by the door jamb, so it's not up against anything. This one will be. So we're gonna have to probably use some self-tapping real flat head ones. But first thing we gotta do is we gotta get this thing attached. And then get a new door checker. It's not too bad to replace. Hopefully it'll go back as easy as it came off. So you got a 10mm bolt that goes down this way, and then you got another one that comes down this way, and electrical connector, you just pop it out of there, and then when you get it door off, you can't get it out with the door on, you gotta pull the door off, have it supporting on something so it's not too far, and then just unplugs real easy. Okay, I want to look on the back side, make sure there's not the track for the window in the way or anything, so I'm gonna pull the speaker out. Let's go in here and see. There's the hole, and it looks like you didn't see. Let's see. All right, so I'm ready to proceed. So I got my air drill here, which is the only one I got with a chuck, because I lost my little battery powered one a couple years ago in a car, customer's car. Never saw it again, and I'm punishing myself by never buying one again. So I'm gonna drill some holes and put some bolt and nut and washers and secure that side and check again. Alrighty, so I got 3 bolts with nuts on the back from the bottom, and then on this one went ahead and did a self-tapping screw like this, because this has got to go against the door jamb. So I'm going to install it and see if that's an issue. Okay, got it set down on the alignment pins. Right there and right there. And there's that. Looks good. Like I said, that doesn't hit nothing. And plugged it in because you can't plug it in once it's on. All right, so the door closes, no issue. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, put some marks on that. Let's see if it hits the door. Let's slam that sucker. So we had a little bit of touch, maybe. I think it's not even leaving a mark, so. Yeah, I think that'll work wonderful. Get the new door checker and we'll be done. Put it back together.